Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make text move in CapCut, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add dynamic motion to your titles and captions, making your videos pop with movement and personality. Perfect for social media, YouTube, or any creative project. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open up CapCut. If you haven't used it before, CapCut is a super intuitive video editing app that gives you a ton of creative options, especially for text effects. So go ahead and launch CapCut. You can do this on your computer or your phone, whichever's easier for you. Once CapCut is open, the next thing you'll do is click on Create New. This is your starting point for any fresh project. It's kind of like opening a blank notebook where you'll build your video from scratch. You might see options like templates or recent projects, but for this tutorial, we want total creative control, so just choose Create New. After that, select Blank Canvas. This gives you a nice, clean workspace without any distractions. No preset backgrounds or existing media, just room for your creativity. Think of it like a blank sheet of paper where you can sketch out exactly what you want. Now it's time for the fun part, adding your text. Find and click on the Add Text button. Usually this is right up front or along the editing bar, and it might look like a big letter T. Once you click it, you'll get a text box. Go ahead and type any message you like. It could be your channel name, a catchy phrase, or even an announcement. Don't worry about making it perfect right away. You can always come back and tweak the wording or the font later. So you've got your text sitting on your canvas, but plain static text isn't very exciting. Let's give it some personality by making it move. Over on the right panel, there's an option called Animation. Click on that. If you don't see it immediately, take a breath. It might be hiding under a submenu, or you might need to select your text first before the animation choices appear. Once you're in the animation section, CapCut gives you a bunch of different ways to make your text animate. Now, pick a transition. This is where you choose how your text enters or exits the scene, sliding in from the left, zooming in, fading out, bouncing, and so on. Take a little time to preview a few. Does your message feel more energetic with a bounce? Or maybe a fade is more subtle? There's no wrong answer here. It's all about the vibe you want to set for your video. To get that perfect movement, let's adjust the in and out motion durations. That just means how long the animation takes for the text to appear or disappear. I recommend starting with a setting of 2.9 seconds. This gives your text enough time to move smoothly without rushing or dragging. Just find the duration slider or input box, set it to 2.9 seconds, and check how your text looks as it moves. If it feels a bit too fast or slow for your taste, you can always nudge it up or down until it fits just right. Really, this step is where animation comes to life and starts connecting with your viewers. And that's it. You've just made moving text in CapCut. Even if you've never animated text before, now you know how to open CapCut, start a fresh project, add your message, and make it glide, bounce, or fade into your video for a professional, eye-catching style. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button to let me know. Drop a comment down below with any questions or if you've got another effect you want to learn. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, powerful CapCut tutorials. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.